Unveiling GPT-4o, revolutionizing natural communication, OpenAI's latest breakthrough. Welcome to the future of communication. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking features of GPT-4o, OpenAI's flagship model designed to enhance natural communication and user experience. Stick around as we explore its potential impact and real-world applications. In this video, we'll uncover how GPT-4o is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. From its seamless integration of voice, text, and vision to its emotional AI capabilities, there's a lot to explore. Number 1. Enhanced accessibility and user experience. First up, let's talk about accessibility. With GPT-4o, OpenAI is making significant strides in democratizing access to cutting-edge AI technology. The model is now freely available to all users, focusing on reducing friction and enhancing accessibility. This isn't just about improving technology. It's about empowering everyone to leverage the full potential of GPT-4o. Enhanced accessibility and user experience. Imagine having the power of advanced AI at your fingertips, seamlessly integrating into your daily tasks and projects. Number 2. Seamless integration of voice, text, and vision. One of the most remarkable improvements in GPT-4o is its seamless integration of voice, text, and vision. By combining these modalities, GPT-4o has unlocked new possibilities for natural and efficient communication. Whether you're a university professor creating visual content or a podcaster enhancing real-time conversations, GPT-4o sets a new standard for cross-modal interactions. Seamless integration of voice, text, and vision. With these capabilities, GPT-4o makes it easier than ever to create, communicate, and collaborate. Number 3. Emotion recognition and expressive voice generation. Now, let's dive into emotional AI. GPT-4o's ability to perceive and respond to emotions is a game-changer. The model can recognize emotions in text and voice, and generate voice in various emotive styles, with a wide dynamic range. From adjusting its voice based on perceived emotions to showcasing real-time responsiveness, GPT-4o redefines emotional resonance in AI interactions. Emotion recognition and expressive voice generation. This means more human-like and emotionally aware interactions, enhancing user experience like never before. Number 4. Real-world applications and impact. Beyond technical advancements, GPT-4o holds immense potential for real-world applications. Its capabilities in interpreting emotions from images and solving linear equations demonstrate its versatility. Whether it's problem-solving in everyday situations or fetching and visualizing weather data, GPT-4o is a powerful tool with wide-ranging applications. Real-world applications and impact. From everyday convenience to professional enhancement, GPT-4o proves to be a valuable asset. Number 5. The future of GPT-4o and OpenAI's commitment. As OpenAI continues to focus on free users and upcoming innovations, the unveiling of GPT-4o is just the beginning. OpenAI's commitment to progress and democratized access to advanced AI technology signifies a promising future for AI-driven communication and interaction. The future of GPT-4o and OpenAI's commitment. Stay tuned for updates on the next big thing, and join us in expressing gratitude to the teams behind this monumental achievement. In conclusion, GPT-4o represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI-driven communication. From enhancing accessibility and user experience to reshaping emotional AI and fostering real-world impact, the potential of GPT-4o knows no bounds. As we embrace the future of natural communication, We can look forward to a world where GPT-4o's transformative capabilities empower us in ways we've never imagined. Subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI technology. See you next time.